Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the application error a client-side exception has occurred in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin troubleshooting this error, we will start by checking for Windows updates. Right-click on your Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Windows Update tab on the left-hand side list. On the right pane, click on Check for Updates. This will ensure your operating system has the latest patches and fixes. Next, we will use the Microsoft Support Diagnostic Tool, also known as MRT. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on it to open the Malware Removal Tool. Once it loads, which may take a moment, click Next. Select the option for a full scan and click Next again. Allow the scan to complete. This process may take some time. Finally, we will perform a system file checker scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will scan for and attempt to repair corrupted system files. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.